when a breakout happens, man, we just take a trade. As you can see, this was the entry, stop loss below or the support of the rectangle, and take profit. Still we are targeting this resistance. We don't target high, which simply because we don't know if it's going to respect that resistance or it's going to break it. So we just put our take profit there, man. So what happens, people, when we see this, guys? Let's go back on 1 hour we have been analyzing from, and we see what is happening with this market. Hello, what's up, traders? Welcome back. This is Too Many Effects. As usual, guys, today I've come up with something good, something new, and something educative to you people. So in today's video, guys, don't miss anything, just stay tuned. And if this is your first time to watch the videos from Too Many Effects YouTube channel, just help me and hit that subscribe button and like the video, share the video so that you can push this account far away, people. In today's video, I gotta show you how we can smash the market depending on support and resistance zones. How can you take a trade on support and resistance zones? So some people are like, when the market reaches a support, you sell. I mean, you buy. When it reaches a resistance, you sell, which is not good. You sell when you get a confirmation, or you buy when you get a confirmation. So guys, today we gotta see which confirmation do we need. When we come and look at, guys, this is VIX 251S, and you know how we do it in Too Many Effects Telegram channel. So guys, when we look at this, I got to start showing you from somewhere here. Yeah, let me start from somewhere there, and when someone look at this chart, you can see it is disgusting, but there is good man here. So guys, today's video I'm gonna make it short simply because I'm not feeling well comfortably, I personally, since the start of this week, and that's why actually our Telegram channel was not working well this week, but I wasn't feeling good. So for next week, hope I'll be fine and everything will be massive. So guys, when we look at this, what comes into our mind? Me, when I look at these people, I start, of course, we are not looking at what is happening or what has happened. We are just looking at which is present, and let's say that this is our present. So when I look at this, guys, you can see very well that this is an uptrend, and of course you know very well that an uptrend, we follow the trend as the market is moving up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and we expect it to push far away, showing us up and down. So as we trade for support and resistance, guys, you know very well that when the market is moving, let me say moving up and down, up and down, up and down, so what do we look at? We look at support. Let me bring here my support, people. So let's say this is our support and this is our resistance. Of course, what comes into your mind? Of course, you know the market must come here and cast down. When it breaks our support, our resistance, amen, we take a buy again at retest. So when the market has broken our resistance, what do we wait for? Wait for the market to come back and retest, or we wait for any pullback, and after the pullback, we take a buy. You get my point? So that's something that happens when the market is going low, when the market is in a downtrend. And when it is in a downtrend, guys, what we want to see, you want to take a sell at resistance. And when we take a sell at resistance, but after getting a confirmation, so the market will be moving down, up, breaking the support, retesting the support, breaking the support, retesting the support, and at retesting of the support, it's when we take a sell going all the way down. So people, when we look at this, guys, this is what we're gonna see today, and we're gonna see which confirmations do we need for us to take a trade. As you can see very well, this is an uptrend. As I've told you, this is an uptrend, and you can also see we have high highs, high lows, and now we can see this is our broken support, and our broken support which was retested very well, and the market went up. Guess what? We even got a double bottom. The bottom giving us a confirmation. For example, guys, here when you see very well that the market came back down, we didn't get any candlestick confirmation to go long, and guess what? It came back again to give us a candlestick confirmation. Guess what? It gave us a candlestick confirmation at resistance, which was broken, which is now acting as support, and at the same time it is forming a double bottom. This is a very good confirmation. You take the market all the way up. So as I told you that our market, we are in present market, and we are here, guys. So what we want to see, of course, you can see we got something like a fake out. So this fake out happened and the market came back up. When it came back up, because we had to wait for it to break this resistance, we just wait to see a retest of this resistance, which is going to turn into support so that we can take a buy. Guess what? The market came up and came back down, so it was like it is respecting our resistance, and of which we didn't get any confirmation, because you know we are in an uptrend. We are looking for less sales than buys, we are looking for more buys than sales. You know what we do. So guys, when the market broke it finally, this is what happened. When it broke it finally, guys, of course we just extend our resistance, and we know it is now a support, and this is what we have been like waiting for. Guess what? When the market came back, it started rejecting. That's showing us that sellers have already lost momentum. And when I got this dodgy candle, guys, this is why my entry would have been. You just put your entry there, stop loss below, and we target the high. We don't target far away from the high. Why? Because the market might come and respect that high and come back down, of which we want to take minimum take profit so that we can remain profitable. So guess what? We are still targeting this high, and our take profit was hit. And now when we see this, guys, what we want to see, we just wait to see at least a break of this resistance. So when we get a break of the resistance, we just wait for what? We just wait for a test. Guess what? The market did not break it very well, but we still watch what happens, and it finally broke it. So when it broke it, it came back and went all the way down. So we had many support resistances, but support zones, but we look for major support zones, guys. We don't just take each and every zone that is a support or resistance. That means we'll be having many as possible, but we don't want to take anything for granted. So when we look at this, guy, we still have our major resistance, which was broken and which is now a support, so this is what we focus at. And when the market still moves on, we keep on extending it. And when the market came back down, guys, it just pierced through our support, which was formed, and went down, and which was a fake out. So when it faked out, guys, we just watch the market, what is it doing. And when it started coming down, guys, as you can see, immediately when it broke it, the sellers lost momentum compared to the one which they came with all the way from up coming down. So when they came and lost momentum, guys, we keep watching, because we expect a lot of fake out, we expect a lot of manipulation here, but we just watch what is happening. We just take a trade. So as now, guys, you can see very well that we already have our resistance that we must be marking very well here, and we must take a look at all the time when the market comes back up. So guys, when the market came down, you see it broke this, so we are still watching it. We don't have a trade yet, though. When it started coming up, guys, we just confirming that this is now moving all the way up. So even if we are looking for trades here, where is our take profit? Our take profit must not exceed this zone. That is the resistance as we must look at. And when I look at these people, what do I see? I see a very good pause of the market with these 3 weeks, and here I can take a trade on the breakout. So how can I get a trade from this pause of the market? I just go on my 15 minutes or lower time frame, and when I see this, guys, this is something like a rectangle. This is something like a rectangle which is being formed, and put there a box, and we go on our 15-minute time frame to see or confirm if it is a rectangle, guys. Well and good, guys, as you can see where our box is, and this is a very good rectangle, as I told you, because I just saw the pause of the market. It formed the 2 dodgy candles, and of which 2 dodgy candles, guys, you know that is the pause of the market with same lows and same highs. So you can see very that this is a rectangle which was formed. So how do we trade a rectangle, guys? We just wait a breakout. When a breakout happens, man, we just take a trade. As you can see, this was the entry, stop loss below or the support of the rectangle, and take profit. Still we are targeting this resistance. We don't target high, which simply because we don't know if it's going to respect that resistance or it's going to break it. So we just put our take profit there, man. So what happens, people, when we see this, guys? Let's go back on 1 hour we have been analyzing from, and we see what is happening with this market. When we come back on our time frame, you can see very well that the market tried to piece out of our support of our resistance zone, and which it failed to do. So when we keep on extending our support, our resistance zone, as we keep extending our resistance zone, guys, we want to see the market either breaking and we take on a retest, or we see it rejecting and taking all the way down. So guys, when we see this doji candle, of course, what we expect the market to go down, and out of this doji candle I expect something like a candlestick which is called an evening star. And of course, an evening star, of course, you know it very well, guys, it is a reversal candlestick pattern. So of course, here I didn't give any entry. Of course, when we go on our 15-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame, you get entries like continuation entries from this chart. So when I see very well, guys, somewhere here we have a very good entry. If you go on your 5-minute time frame or 15-minute time frame, here there is an entry which is showing a sell, because the market paused a little bit, and out of this you can get an entry. As same happens to this, guys, there is an entry here if you go on 15-minute time frame or 5-minute time frame. So this is what I'm trying to teach you people. Learn how to see something from higher time frame, so that when you come on lower time frame, you already know what you're looking for. So without wasting time, people, let's see. So this was our major support, which we are looking all the way from behind. But now, since the market was tried to fake out, we have two support zones that we are looking at, because this is a strong move that pushed the market all the way far away from where it was since it tried to fake out. So we wait to see the market how it came all the way down. So when it came all the way down, guys, you can see it just pieced through our support, which was broken last time, or which had a fake out and which was respected after fake out. So after this, the market came back all the way, the market passed through all and came all the way down. So we delete that, and that is no longer our active support. So we have a new support area, and with this support area, guys, what we want to see the market either breaking it or respecting it. So what happens, guys, you can see as the market was nearby reaching our support, it started consolidating, like bears lost momentum, and when they came down, guys, you can see we started having bullish candles coming in, mixing up with bearish candles. Of course, we got an engulfing bar, and this is where we take our entry from. This is the entry, and stop loss you can put it below the candlestick, or I like putting it all the way down on the support, while we give the market room of breathe, so that we cannot be kicked out of the market and later on the market moves to our way. So where is our target? Of course, our target is this support all the way up. So when the market goes up, you can see, guys, it just moved almost to take profit, it reverse. Of course, here you take some profits when it is already in the middle, and you move your stop loss to break even. Guess what? Did not reach all the way up, it just reversed. So always trade, of course, after seeing this consolidation, you close your trades, or you put your stop loss just below somewhere like here, and the market reversed. So when the market reversed, still, guys, we still have this a valid support, which is here. And guess what? The market came and respected our support, it went all the way up again. You can see how simple and how we can take trades out of this, man. So as you can see now, the market went all the way up, and when I see these rejections, guys, of course, I just know that the market might push to this zone and come back down. But of course, when I see the rejections, I just know what is happening on lower time frame. We're just waiting to see any momentum candlestick for bears to take a trade. And guess what? We just got an engulfing bar, and when you get an engulfing bar, bearish engulfing bar, stop loss above the wicks. And where is our take profit, guys? My first take profit was to be here. Why? Because this is the order block that pushed the market all the way up, breaking this structure, and this is a very valid order block. So where may take profit, you can put your take profit above the order block, you can put your take profit in the middle of that order block, or you can put your take profit all the way down the order block. But I like putting my take profit in the middle of the order block. So my first take profit was there, and my second take profit was all the way down on this support. And we still extend our support as the market moves, and we still extend our resistance as the market moves. As you can see, it is still valid, it is not yet broken, and we are still making it valid. So guess what, guys? My first take profit was it, and my second take profit was not hit, but of course we take money out of the market, doesn't take back our money. So after that trade, guys, the market reversed. Still, I had to look at what is happening on this zone, what is really happening. And when the market came back, guys, it started consolidating in an arrogant way. Of course, I didn't get any confirmation here, man. Someone would have looked at this candlestick, and this is an engulfing candlestick pattern which was formed in an inside as a resistance zone that is push the market all the way down. But I don't take such a trade. Why? Because the market came up impulsively. Why? Because the market came back up impulsively, and of course, for me to make it valid engulfing candlestick pattern, I must look at something like the market is coming and bears have lost, bulls have lost momentum, and bears are trying to take control. So an engulfing bar or bearish engulfing bar is the one which gives me confirmation to go short. So guys, I didn't take this because I could not take this simply because this market is not showing us any bearish momentum that may take control of the market. We just look at it and leave it. So we're still looking at what is happening. Guess what? I just started piecing into our resistance zone, and guess what? It is still consolidating. So guys, when you look at this, what do I see? I can just see a very good pose of the market which is happening inside here. And when I look at this, guys, so I just wait to see any breakout and with the candlestick confirmation for me to go short. And when we see this, guys, you can see very well that we got something like an evening star. And evening star, guys, we know very well that this is a reversal candlestick pattern. And of course, when we see an evening star, we just take a trade, and unfortunately we lost the trade. And where was our take profit? The take profit was supposed to be here, and the second take profit was supposed to be all the way down. So the stop loss must be somewhere here, and the trade was lost. Why? Because this is the fake out, and you can see it very well that the fake out happened. And of course, when and when you see these people, you can see that the market gave us a very good entry here, man. Let me bring this. That the market gave us a very good entry with an evening star, and when you get an entry on an evening star, we just take a trade. At the same time, the market broke our support, which was formed inside of the at the pose of the market, and we're very happy that the market is gonna go all the way down. Like, this is a very good confirmation for the market to go all the way down, but this was a fake out. And of course, when I see an engulfing bar formed after the breakout, I just know that this is a fake out, and you just exit that trade, you wait for another confirmation, or you close some trades and you hold others. So when the market reached that zone, guys, it was faked out and it came back all the way up. I was still looking at the market, will it break or it will respect? So guess what? The market came back here and it started showing some rejection. The buyers are rejected strongly in the market. So what happened, man? I just look at this, I just get something like an engulfing star, an engulfing bar, bearish engulfing bar that gave me an entry. So I just get another entry showing me that it is a sell, and where my stop loss is just to be here above this week, and the take profit is all the way down. Just put your take profit here. Of course, we have something like 3 take profits. This was the first take profit. The second take profit we target here, the second take profit is here, and the third take profit we are still targeting this zone, because we have those inner zones that may push the market back up. So guess what? The first take profit was hit, the second take profit was hit, and finally the third take profit was hit. So guys, simple as you can see. So you can go and practice this every day. You can trade any market, anytime, at anywhere it is, following your rules, following the market structure, doing the best out of it. So people, that's all which I got for you today. I'm not going to talk much. I'm not going to record a long video because I'm not feeling well, as I told you. But next time better, man. So hit the subscribe button, like the video, share the video, come join our all social media platforms. Use that link in the description below so that you can join our legit social media platforms. Don't be scammed. There are a lot of scammers on Telegram, man. I just discovered that recently. Don't fall into scams. We don't do account management, we don't do any signal group. We don't have any Signal group. Of course, we have an educational group which is called 2ManyFX, and you can join that via the link in this video description below. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. 2ManyFX forever. Boom.